Good morning. Today, starting off with some quieter weather to begin our day. Conditions are going to be a lot less bumpy than they were last night when we were dealing with those stronger storms moving through the valley. Now, there are still some areas where we have some areas of rain up in the northern valley, but you could see over in the Duluth area, that's where the main storm area is and where we're getting the heaviest rain right now. And that's moved, of course, off to the east of us. So we're looking a lot quieter here in the Red River Valley, save for this one area of rain that's affecting us up to the north. Just checking out where we had the severe weather yesterday. It was mainly out west. We did get some reports of some damage. Here's Jamestown right here. It's some wind damage right along I-94 there, and a report of some pictures on top of a pickup truck that were snapped, where some trees were snapped, laying on that truck in the Medina area. And then up toward New Rockford, there's some hail that was reported there as well. That was up to $50 size. So that's where the severe weather happened to be, though we did get hit by some storms throughout a good portion of the valley too. And checking out your radar right now up in the north along the Canadian border, you could see those showers and perhaps a little lightning associated with it as it moves down to the southeast right along the border here. So Rosa, you might be seeing this little downpour here in the next half hour to an hour or so, and a couple of places in Kitson County and now northern Marshall seeing some showers too. And this is kind of drifting east southeastward this morning. So most of us in the valley looking pretty quiet. However, we do have the potential for a little bit of rain popping up today as we progress through the morning hours and into the afternoon. Our temperatures are in the 50s to some 60s. It's 57 in Fosston, 65 in Fargo, 62 in Grand Forks, Valley City, Oaks at 63, so is Gwinner. And winds are light, less than 10 miles per hour. Wind starting to make that northwesterly turn, and it's that northwest breeze that's going to keep those temperatures down for the next couple of days here. We're going to have a taste of September in early August. Here's a look at our visibility right now. We're looking good. No fog, or at least none that's dense enough to cause a concern at the moment. And as we head through the morning, we have that rain along the Canadian border right now. That may just continue to drop to the southeast. So we're looking at Red Lake, Lake of the Woods area, perhaps seeing some showers or sprinkles heading into the early part of the day. And those clouds moving with it, bringing the possibility for a sprinkle or a shower or two. We're not looking at anything major, but something to watch out for. Heading into the 3 o'clock hour, you could see that those clouds just kind of working their way slowly south and eastward, meaning we'll have moments of sunshine today and then some times where maybe an hour or two where we're under the clouds. And this is 5 o'clock. You can see still some indications that there might be a shower or two around that point in the southern end of the valley. Temperatures, notice these. They're not warm at all. We're looking at some upper 60s to some mid 70s for highs today, and that's it. So a cooler day with that northwesterly wind taking over. So heading into tonight, looking quiet. We've got clear skies. Temperatures will dip thanks to that cooler air. We'll be down into the 40s to some low 50s for highs tomorrow. So a cool start. Good sleeping weather for us. And looking ahead to the daytime hours tomorrow, expect to have lots of sun. A few more clouds again up along the Lake of the Woods area tomorrow, closer to that system that's missing us. And by the time we get to the 5 o'clock hour, more of the same. Temperatures ranging from the low to mid 70s, that northwesterly flow keeping us cool, dry, sunny. It looks beautiful actually and comfortable out there for the daytime hours tomorrow. And then tomorrow night quieting down. So a couple of clear nights ahead of us. Maybe we'll get another shot at seeing the northern lights. This is in Rock Lake. Thanks, Rick, for sharing that. And in your 7-day planner, expect those temperatures to be into the 70s to about 80 degrees through the next week. So no real big time heat building back in. We're looking at some numbers that are going to be relatively cool. In fact, the next couple of days will be that way. Saturday is our next chance for some storms. We'll be back to 80, cooling back down on Sunday into the mid 70s.
Okay, looks good. Thank you, Lisa.
It's still fair season in the region. Find out which county fair will soon start and what you and the family can expect.